Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Gold 8 with brand new dates Monday, and we're currently in the London session. Okay, right before the new day, that was on Sunday, I made this analysis. I was probably anticipating some kind of huge resistance around this region for a while, maybe break of it, come back, pick up orders around this region or here before continuing. But as you can see, price is already at this region, and I'll be anticipating price to come all the way to 2000. Yeah, 2000, 2020, 2040 region. All right, going forward, let's look at this style, because this is our focus for the week. And slide into the 4 hours time frame, what can we see? We can see price is definitely coming to this region. It's definitely coming to this 2004, 2005. I said that last week. So what am I anticipating currently? I'm anticipating just a retracement. If I can get a retracement to this region that you just broke out from, then I'm anticipating price hitting this target. Boom. So what am I? I just need it. I just need a retracement to this region, and I'm good to go. Once I get that retracement coming, I'll measure my Fibonacci, probably from here to this is where it made that pull. Yeah. And I might anticipate price coming to this level, pick up orders with this week, boom, and then we anticipate price hitting all the way to our 2000 region. That will be a beautiful trade for the week. I'll be anticipating that going forward. So let's see how price plays out, but I'm not saying it's yet time for reversal. I'll measure my Fibonacci when I'm sure there's a couple of 4 or 5 candles heading downward and coming towards this region. Then I'll measure my Fibonacci. All right, and then I would anticipate my entry probably around this region, and then boom, we're going for buys. Target 2000 plus. All right, I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how gold is going to play out. All right, ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Gold. Quick one, I just want to highlight what has happened so far. Last week on Monday, I anticipated that price would probably come back to this region to give me a bounce, and I'll continue my buys to 2000 region. But already we could see that price never gave me that initial retest I needed, and actually came all the way to this region to touch it. So in my bias, I was waiting to see what price would give me, and price broke into this structure, started rejecting this region, and all I could see was an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So basically I was seeing shorts. For more confidence, I saw this trend line, and I was anticipating a break of it and a retest of it. I'll go short. Trust me, I missed this trade, and it hurts. I missed this trade. My first TPU would have been around this region, TP2 around this region. So going forward now, I can see price coming back to a very critical region around this area. Two things are involved. I'm anticipating a continuation of price buys at least to this region, because there were orders around this area. So continuation of buys to this region, and probably reject this region, then we might see price continue downward, or we could see price actually making this final retest of this region here, and we'll have our buys all the way to 2048, breaking through 2000. Well, 2000 would be actually the major key area where we'll be anticipating price to come first, after probably no rejections at 1978 or 1980 region per se. So going forward, let's see how price will play out before Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on Gold, and it's Friday. Trust me, a lot of stuff happened. Just take a look at pound USD. Damn, I'll speak on that on pound USD tracking. Back on gold, earlier on Wednesday I said I was anticipating like a retest of these regions, probably to get a short, and I learned something. You can see that price actually used this as a very key resistance zone and actually sold. We had about 1957 to about 1937, or 1937. That's about 200 pips right there. and I missed it because I was actually anticipating price to actually come back all the way to this region safely for me to take the trade. All right, let's put this in perspective. Actually, this week has been a bad week for me, to be honest. I mostly didn't take a gold trade. I took pound USD trade, and I'll speak on that on pound USD tracking. Going forward, what I'm anticipating going forward is I can see price has broken into this region. Like I said earlier, I would have anticipated price to continue bullish all the way to 2010. But as you can see, price is now showing bearish signal because we have actually broken a trend line and we are creating lower lows and lower highs. So going forward, I'm anticipating price to come to 1917, hopefully by next week. So between now and next week, I will see how structures form, and then we'll see how that price goes. I'll see you guys next week Monday. Ciao.